Hey guys, as you can see, I didn't talk through most of this video, and I'm sure a lot of you know why I didn't. But I've been just kind of like, should I film these? Should I not film these? But at the end of the day, it's my channel, my business. No, I'm gonna film it. Because if you guys been at my store, some of you already know that there's some more over there that you guys didn't see. And I was kind of on the fence about what I wanted to do, but I've decided, yeah, I'm gonna film. So, this soap is called Mermaid's Revenge. I think the name is very, very fitting. What's up, Gabriel?
Just observing. Hello, everyone.
Yeah, the name is very fitting, I think. So, the color scheme of this is white, black, gold. And I'm just going to try to get as much as I can on here. The fragrance I use, I don't know if you guys could see that, but it was from New York Scents. It's a new supplier that somebody suggested I try, so I did. So I'm going to top this off with as much of this white that I can get on here without it spilling everywhere. Bye, Gabriel.
Bye.
But, yeah, so I got some embeds that's going to go on here. And, yeah, that's what we'll be doing. And by the time a lot of you see this video, this is already in the store, and these move pretty fast. Every time I put them in my store, they go pretty fast. So if you want one, be sure to head over there like ASAP to get one. They don't even last a day. So today is June 16th. June 16th, and like I said, check out my store. These are most definitely cured out by the time you guys see this video. So, and I know a lot of you don't like music over videos, you know, fast forward with music, but sorry about that. You guys know that I don't do it very often. That's how I started out, then I stopped, but for this one, I just decided to. So, I may have to come back because this one is still a little bit loose, and this fragrance behaves very, very well. So I'm very happy about that. It has no vanillin or anything in it, so very, very good. And I think, yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna fit on there, because otherwise it's just gonna start to get a little bit ridiculous. So once it's set up, I'll bring you guys back. Okie doke. So now that I have all of my mermaidy embeds on, I'm going to put some gold sea salts, and that'll be it. Again, this soap will be ready July I keep forgetting the date. July 16th. You can find this in my shops. If you would like to know where that's at, you can just use the link in the description box below, or there'll be a pop-up at the end of the video, and you can click on that because they're interactive, and it'll take you right over there. And this soap is not complete until I glitter it within an inch of its life. You guys really thought I was going to leave and not glitter this soap? Like, seriously? Okay, so where's the glitter? Okay, there we go. And so where is my glitter too? I literally just had it. Okay. So, okay, that's just a bit ridiculous how much I just put on it, but boy, is it pretty. But it's a mermaid, so it should be glittery. So there we go. Okie dokes. So if you like this soap, please be sure to give a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. I'm going to clean some of this mess up because this is ridiculous. Just take this and blow it right back up on the sides. Yep, and this is what you think it is. It's brand new. I didn't go and get this from when Hunter was a baby. I just figured it would come in handy for something like this, and it does. Trust me when I say it does, it does. Okie dokie. I'll show you guys a close-up in a second as soon as I clean up some of this mess. Woo, that is glittery. And stay tuned because there is a cutting coming up as soon as I show you this up close. I don't even know what the inside is going to look like, but I think it's going to come out stellar. So, stay tuned again because the cutting up is coming up right. The cutting up? The cutting is coming up right now. So, I am back with a cutting of my Mermaid's Revenge. I'm kind of playing with the idea of Mermaid's Revenge or Revenge of the Mermaid. But, as you guys can see, I keep tilting it because that gold on there is amazing. It turned out so absolutely lovely. Look at this soap, guys. Like, I just love making these soaps because they're so gosh darn pretty. But yeah, so this soap has been sitting out of the mold for a little over a week because my overhead ring light, the bulb blew. And guys, let me tell you, those bulbs ain't cheap. It was like, I feel like I'm just like, I was thrown into darkness and now I've been allowed back in the light because, honey, it was totally gloomy and just very, very uninspiring down here without having my ring light. But, yeah, this puppy was almost 50 bucks. So, but I was smart enough this time to get a 3-year warranty on it. So if it blows out again within that time, I just get a free one, you know what I mean? So I'm just trying to figure out which way I'm going to cut this. Okay, it's a little enough, the little in, if I can get the little in out of this crevice. Ow, it's like really stuck. Okay, come on out of there, thank you. So there's that. And yeah, it's going to stay pretty white, and that's kind of like the swirls that I wanted. So, yay, happy me. And, oh, that's pretty. That's gorgeous. So, today is, you know what? I'm not even going to tell. Oh, what's today's date? Today is June 23rd, but I made this a week ago. So, let's just say the 15th, something like that. This will be ready July 15th, and I'm pretty sure by the time you guys see this video, it'll be ready. So, hopefully. Oh, yes, that spacing was amazing right there, baby. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Oh, that turned out, wow. It's just like this soap knew exactly what I wanted because those swirls are exactly what I was looking for. Man, I couldn't be happier. I just can't. That is lovely. Absolutely. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. Well, Sunday for you all. Today is Saturday for me. I got up, it's pretty darn early. Okay, just trying not to break my starfish. But, wow, that, man, look at... Oh, okay, so I don't know if I want this to be Mermaid's Revenge or Revenge of the Mermaid. I'm going to think about it, but it's going to be one of those two. You'll see it in my shop, but like the swirls, I don't... It was like you can see the I don't know, I don't want to say discord because I wasn't like upset or angry when I made this soap, but this soap translated exactly what I wanted it to be, you know. So it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. It's just something so stunning and mysterious about it. You know what I mean? So very, very pleased. And I think that I've gotten better with my spacing. It seems to be. Oh, yeah, I knew that was going to break. Which is a wave. Like, I don't care about the other end that's breaking off. Yeah, that's crazy how I managed to get that throughout. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. But that gold on the side, I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that gold is amazing, you know? So, I don't know if I'm going to do another. This is my third version of the original. My second version of the original. Actually, it is my third because the first was a custom. It was slightly different. So, I don't know if I'm going to do a whole nother one or just let this be all that I'm going to do. The like peachy coral one, my blue mermaid, and then this one. We'll see how I feel. So I'm feeling like I should make another loaf of this one because I think it's going to be pretty popular and I need to have some for the fair. So we will see. Yeah, my spacing is stellar. Check me out. So I just like crushed that, but you know, that's okay. It wasn't an embed, it was just a high peak. And look at that. I forgot about that. Can you guys see that glitter under the bottom? And you know, all this time I've been using my light. I forgot that it has a dimmer setting, so I have it on the brightest setting, and it's like freaking bright in here, but I love it. I do love it. It's like so much nicer. So, leave it on that setting. Okie doke. Gabe is gonna come and master batch for me. Thank you, Gaby baby. Appreciate that. Because I got some wholesale orders I have to do. And then a couple of remakes. And I'm thinking about, I don't know, you guys will see if you don't. Well, my thought was to take a week off. But a week off from filming. But I'm not sure. I wanted to last week, and then I was just like, no, I'll stick around. But yeah, I kind of feel like I want to take a week off. Just to, let me stop for a second because I think this is my favorite swirl. How pretty is that? That is absolutely gorgeous. Wow, that's pretty. And it's cutting so nice. But yeah, I just want to take a week off just to, you know, refresh the brain juices. I feel great, guys, you know, like mentally I feel great, but I find that I'm running out of ideas. And I was just having a blast coming up with ideas like this, and I want to continue to make soaps like this, you know, on this scale. But scale, the puns. Oh, that was super lame, but I had to, sorry. But yeah, I want to continue to make soaps that are, you know, up to par with this one. And it's just, I don't know, they're not there. Like, the ideas are not there. So if you guys miss me for a week, which will only be a Sunday for you all, then you know why. Or you already missed me for a week. And that was the reason why. I'm absolutely grand. But I just want to kind of take some time to sit back and come up with some fresh ideas for you all. So yeah, I'm not decided yet, because maybe I'll wake up tomorrow and then I'll feel like my head is filled with brand new ideas. But right now I feel like my ideas are getting kind of stale, or they're just not there at all. So I've been trying to give myself some soap making therapy just by sitting and watching my favorite soap artist. And I'm just like feeling super excited for them, but I'm still not coming up with anything new. I did have one thing, so, you know, but I need more than one. So yeah, anywho, hope you guys are having a great day. Like I said, super early, my day just started, but I feel like it's going to be fantastic anyway. So, move that out the way. And it's quite warm down here today. I had Gabe open the window, and it is still quite warm down here. It's so pretty. So if you're new to my channel, hello. I am so freaking happy you found me. I probably already said that. I don't remember what I said in my making video because, again, that was over a week ago. All right, let me think. Ooh, you know what? Where's this gonna land? Oh, oh, I don't know. Somebody's gonna get 2 fishies. Yep. Or, yeah, somebody's gonna get 2 fishes. So, you lucky duck. Oh, don't you even try it. Push that over. It was gonna cut that tail in half. Okay, hopefully I didn't break it. I just curled the tail. But yeah, so you got 2 fishy mermaid tails. There you have it. And that's it. But thank you for joining in. It is always great to have you here. And if you have not become a part of my SEC, which is my Stinking Awesome crew, all you got to do is hit that bell. And I'll always say that. Hit the bell anyway, because you want to get notified whenever I make new soaps. Right. But you want to hit the subscribe button, which is right next to the bell. So that way you become a part of this freaking awesome, stinking awesome crew. Because you guys are just that, you know that. For those of you who are always here, loves you. I do. Like, seriously. Like, I seriously do love you guys. You guys are awesome. Absolutely awesome. You are the reason why I come back every week as I do. The reason why I keep filming. Because you guys just, you love me. And I love you back. I really do. So yeah, become a part of this awesome, stinking awesome crew. You know? So you can be awesome too. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. So anyway, be sure to hit that like button if you do like these gorgeous Mermaid Revenge soaps. I think this is probably my most favorite one out of the 3 that I've done. For those of you, I think I said in the making, you didn't see the second version because I didn't film it. But yeah, if you want it, head over to the store. It's probably still there, or maybe not. These do move pretty fast. So guys, until the next video, love, hugs, and kisses. Be awesome and amazing at everything you do. And I will see you in the next making video. Bye.